Hi everyone, Miss Haw here again, and we just got finished seeing Molly, who was very worried because Max was not at school. Her tummy was hurting a little. She felt better when she talked to the teacher, but she did learn that she can feel feelings in her body or clues in her body by her tummy starting to do flip-flops, or maybe her heart was beating fast, or maybe her head felt a little fuzzy. She could feel that there was something wrong. Well, let's take a look at this photo story today on our picture card. What do you think is going on here with this little boy? This is Michael. He is waiting for his grandma to pick him up at school. But she's running a little late today. Actually, she's very late. Michael's tummy hurts a little too, just like Molly's did. His heart is beating fast, and he's breathing fast too. He can't stop thinking about where his grandma is. How do you think Michael is feeling? Yeah, you're right. Just like Molly, he's feeling a little bit worried, and he might be feeling a little upset. If you had the same idea, pat your shoulders. Well, Michael is worried because his grandma is late and his body feels uncomfortable. When you are worried or have an uncomfortable feeling, focus attention on your body. Put your hands on your tummy, and then you can feel like, oh my gosh, that doesn't feel right. Ask yourself, how is my body feeling? Or you can put your hands on your heart. And again, it might be beating kind of fast. Ask yourself, how is my body feeling? Your heart might be beating really fast and you can feel it through your shirt. Well, that's what happens when you feel worried. Your tummy might be doing flip-flops. Your heart might be beating fast. Or you might start breathing really fast too when you feel worried. What can Michael do to feel better? Think about that. What did Molly do when she was worried about Max? That's right. He could go talk to his teacher. Michael tells his teacher he is worried. He begins to feel a little bit better after he talks to her. Then his grandma comes. So he realized that the feelings that he felt were uncomfortable. His body was starting to react because he was so nervous or worried that his grandma wasn't coming. So we feel feelings in our bodies. Feeling worry is uncomfortable. Telling a grown-up about your feelings helps you feel better. Remember that song we sang a little bit ago? Yeah, that's what he had to realize, that he felt it in his legs, his tummy, his head, and his heart. His legs might have started to tremble, and even Michael said he started to breathe fast, so he also felt it in his face. It's really important, though, that we understand that when our body gives us those clues, we have to think and use our brains. What should we do? And so instead of feeling worried or trying to deal with the big feeling on your own, it's always a good idea to talk to a grown-up. And that's what Michael did. And that's what Molly did. So what do you do when you have a big feeling or an uncomfortable feeling like Molly and Michael did? That's right. Go talk to a grown-up. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Feel free to listen to the songs and the videos in the Bitmoji Classroom, where you'll learn more about feeling worried, and what to do. See you guys next week.